Hello, and welcome to Shelby Speaks, the concurrency of our classrooms. I'm Adam Watson, the Digital Learning Coordinator here at Shelby County Public Schools. The word concurrency in our vodcast title reflects the reality of many of our classrooms this school year. Classrooms that are a hybrid of students in person and students at home, often being facilitated by a teacher simultaneously. But it is also an intentional nod to the idea of metaphorical currency in our instruction. In the spring of 2020, our educators were forced to pedagogically invest in new innovative strategies to effectively teach in an emergency distance learning environment. As spring became fall, we faced new challenges, and we are thankful for our spring 2020 investment in growing our learning. Our teachers are spending and trading the pedagogical capital built last school year in order to innovate and collaborate even further this school year. Part of that collaboration involved the creation of a district concurrent classroom Google Doc full of tips, resources, and videos where educators shared with each other how to navigate through our common challenges. It is selections from these videos that we are highlighting in our latest podcast series. In this episode, Kate Robinson, an English teacher at Shelby County High School, screencast how she facilitates passion projects for her students. Kate utilizes Google Classroom as a hub where she communicates deadlines, organizes playlists of instructional materials, and hosts videos of mini lessons.
Hi, I'm Kate Robinson, and I'm going to share with you how I'm using playlists in my classroom this year. I push out a playlist at the beginning of each unit that includes for students assignments, checkpoints, even assessments, so that they have the full picture of what they're going to be working on, and they can keep on track. I post the assignments and then the directions, additional information about those assignments, and what the title is called of the assignment in Google Classroom. I also include due dates, and sometimes I'll have due dates for individual assignments. Other times I just include checkpoints. So I'll let them know you need to be at this point in the checklist by this date. And that also gives students the control to be able to set due dates for the specific assignments on their own and to build capacity in those skills of time management. So I do use this in conjunction with Google Classroom. For each unit, I'll create a topic in Google Classroom and include the playlist at the top so that that is a quick reference. It's right there for kids to be able to check and make sure that they are on track. And then I'll include the assignments and the content for that unit. While I do include everything on the playlist so that kids can see from start to finish what the unit will look like, I don't always push all the content out through Google Classroom. While I do like that playlists allow kids to work at their own pace, I do also like the sense of control of chunking that so that kids don't race through and I can check and challenge them to go more deeply instead of quickly through the content. I have found, especially this year, I found playlists to be really effective, especially when kids who are working at school have to go home and work from home for a period of time before they can come back. They know exactly what to expect. I do include mini lessons that are a part of the playlist. So they have those videos, they can watch them, they can rewatch them. So they're not missing out on that if they're not here in class. But, you know, like I said, they know exactly what to expect if they suddenly have to work from home. So that is playlist, and this is how I am using them in my classroom this year.